record. When do you want to be a bottom feeder looking to fade a market that's moving lower? Well, first, I could tell you when you don't want to be, when there are other people doing it before you. So, right in here at 31.75, when it goes green, we have a sample size of too many people getting long. So, when I fast forward this, as soon as they go away, like they do there, and the shorts come in right here, it's a better chance to pop. So they went from all this green, very little red, and before price moves, that flips. If I show you that and price is already up here, it's different. But before price jumps, you've seen that little bit of a flip and the imbalance of positions. Remember, we're looking for imbalance of buyers and sellers, but before that happens, an imbalance of positions happen, and the market is able to pop. Now, let me show you this another time at like 34 when we sold out finally, because it was a crappy day up until this move back into yesterday's range. But right here, around 34 even, we're coming down. And I told people, first off, we just got through the VWAP. So you don't want to just like nothing. So you don't want to just buy it, but watch how many longs get in and try to buy it. And they just get underneath them. Boom. Market continues lower. Not a chance to buy it with them. As you could see, we're going forward, telling guys the same thing. Now you get some shorts coming in. Maybe it could rally a little bit, but you got this VWAP. Just going to be careful trying to get it above there. I think there was another moment where it comes down. And I tell guys right in here, too many longs, be careful. If they're still here, it's hard to bounce. And we go down. And it's like, you don't want other people dressed up like you. So if you can think of yourself, when you're long, you put a certain outfit on. You don't want to look around and see everybody dressed like you. You don't want that competition. I think that I've said this before, I've said this a million times. Most people, when they get into trading, if they were asked, if you're long, do you want a lot of longs? Everybody would chant, yes, more longs, more longs. Couldn't be anything further from the truth. And you could see it. Now, all these look like a lot of different colors, but all these colors indicate the intention of an order. So if you're trying to read order flow, which you should be trying to do, make it easier on yourself. You look at all these damn numbers on a dome, which, at one point that was your only chance. And you break down all the numbers on the dome and or all the delta numbers and all this stuff. And the footprint was great and everything else. But I got news for you. You want to know, and what we've been able to find is the intention of the order. That's what reading order flow is all about. What's the intent of the order? Is it a buy order looking to get long and did get long? Yes. Is it a sell order that got them short? Yes. Is it a sell order to get them out of a long? Yes. And we track this with the way we're able to filter the MBO data. So the point is, when you want to do something, what are you looking for? When you want to do something, but you disqualify it. Disqualifying a trade is just as important as qualifying it. Stay the hell out of the way so you're not picking the bottom and getting run over. And you turn a fading strategy into a fighting strategy. Too many people are trying to do it. What are the conditions you're looking for to get or stay long? And it ain't it's not a bunch of other longs with you. Think of yourself and how you dress. You don't want people dressed like you if you walk into a party. Not what you want. Same thing when you're long, same thing when you're short. Relatively speaking, it's not that nobody should be long if you're long and you're the only long that's going to make money if it rallies. It's the balance of longs and shorts. That's what you're after. As a trader, we're in the predictive business of trying to see where the balance, think of a teeter-totter of buyers and sellers, but even deeper than that, of longs and shorts.